Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in because we're going to be opening up the June BoxyCharm base box. I have no idea what is even in here. I haven't watched many unboxings or spoilers or anything like that, so let's just get right into it. When you open it up, here we go. There's absolutely no padding, nothing protecting what's inside. And this month it is BoxyCharm The Oasis. Okay, and then we actually have a card with the items on the back. So I am really excited. Let's pull out the very first thing, which is this little guy right here talking about Kylie Skin, and it says enjoy $5 off with Boxy 5. So if you guys were wanting to try Kylie Skin, there's $5 off. Speaking of that, here is the first item from Kylie Skin, and this is the foaming face wash. This is pretty interesting and random. I guess maybe I knew that Kylie Skin was coming to BoxyCharm, but I don't know. So there you go, and it does have a pump. So let's see what this says. Okay, so Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash. Our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil, packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. And this is valued at $24, so that is pretty crazy. Am I crooked right now? Let me see. Is that better? Hopefully that's better. Okay, so first item, the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. All right, next up I have this from Cab. It's a lip liner and lip gloss duo. So there's the packaging. I have never heard of this brand before. This is in the shade Charming. Okay, let's see what this says. All right, Cab Cosmetics Lip Duo. Lip Charming Duo has everything you need to create the glossy lip you've always wanted. This vanilla scented duo is perfect for a night out on the town or a casual everyday look. Use the liner and gloss together or mix each on their own. And this is $40. Holy moly. That is a lot of money. Okay, the color is actually really, really pretty. This is definitely up my alley. It's kind of similar to what I have on. So you have the gloss right here. Let's see. It smells really good, and I love the big doe foot applicators like that. That's my absolute favorite. And oh, that is so pretty. That is beautiful. Super, super pretty. Okay, and then here is the liner. And there you go. Let's do a little swatch of that too. Right there. That is so pretty. I love that. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Okay, so off to a pretty good start. I'm pretty stoked. The next thing is this. Oh, okay, so this was my choice item. This is the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. I always say I get so many mascaras, but I don't know, I love it. All right, so the Triple X Mascara, an extra lengthening, extra volumizing, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fibered wand that defines and coats each and every lash with an ultra black velvety smooth formula. And this is also valued at $24. So there's the packaging right there. It's got like a matte black with a gold writing on it. And I'm not gonna open the tube to show you guys the wand because I'm actually working through quite a few mascaras right now, including the Kevin Kwan one that we got in last month's premium box. So I'm just gonna hold off on that for a little bit. And the next thing is this, and the box was open, but that's okay. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray, and I believe I've had this before, and I don't believe I used it. I think I sold it on like my Mercari or something like that. It just has a little spray bottle right there. So let's see. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Weightless Setting Spray. Create your look and seal the deal with this high-performing setting spray. Makes makeup transfer-proof and improves the wear up to 16 hours with a weightless, comfortable feel that's never sticky or greasy. And this is valued at $32. I love setting sprays, especially lately now that I have to wear a mask at work. It just really helps from things to not rub and just get weird. Yes, I wear makeup to work. I work at Ulta, so I have to wear makeup. So I don't know, I probably will get some good use out of this because currently I kind of rotate between a few, but they're not like long wearing ones. So hopefully this will kind of be like the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So, all right, excited to get that. And if I didn't mention it, yeah, that's 32. All right, and then last but not least is this little guy, and this is the Laura Geller Shades of Nude Multitasking Eye and Lip Cheek Palette. So this is a cream to powder trio. Oh, when I saw this online, I didn't know that this was gonna be cream. Okay, so there's that. So you can see the 3 little shades there. So we have a few blushes and then a highlighting shade, or there's the highlighting shade right there. Super, super pretty. I'm not gonna do swatches because I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this or not. So I'm just gonna put the little protective plastic back on there and just read about it. So this is the Laura Geller Multitasking Cream to Powder Trio. 3-well multitasking cream to powder face palette includes 2 finishes, demi-matte and subtle shimmer. Each shade can be used on various parts of the face, including the eyes, lips, and cheeks. Silky smooth, transformative texture goes on like a cream for easy blending and finishes like a powder for long-lasting color payoff. And this is valued at $24. So it's really pretty. Laura Geller is a pretty good brand too. I don't know, I'm torn. I don't know. I do like cream products. I don't know, I'm so wishy-washy. I'm so bipolar. Maybe I'll get use out of it. I don't know. It's pretty though. I'm glad that it's in this box. You know what I mean? So whatever. All right, so what did we think of this box? I thought it was really, really good. So we have the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Cleanser. We have the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray. We have the really, really pretty Cab Lip Liner and Lip Gloss Duo. I love that. And then we have the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. And last but not least, the Laura Geller Cream to Powder like cheek trio thing. I thought this was a really, really good box, especially for the price. Like, you cannot beat it. Like, I got a lot of cool things. I don't know. What do you guys think? I haven't seen many variations, which, by the way, my variation is variation number 63. So that is a huge amount of variations there. But anyway, let me know down below how your week is going, how your Friday is going. Please like, share, subscribe, join